What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And yeah, in today's video I've got two smaller builds today to show you guys. But yeah, don't let the size fool you because these are some pretty intricate and detailed builds. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, basically like what these are is basically like a sport ATV or sport quad, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I guess like a real life equivalent of these would probably be like a Raptor 700 kind of thing. And yeah, it's pretty much like a ATV designed to go fast instead of basically to carry loads. And yeah, so while I did say that I have two of these, they might look pretty similar, but they're actually not. And yeah, they're built quite a bit differently. So yeah, I know I said that there was only actually like two ATVs, but I just decided to throw in this one right here, I guess to compare all of them. So I guess I'll start out with the basic version right here. And yeah, so if you guys don't know, I actually made a tutorial on this like a really long time ago. Like, if you've been following my channel for a while, you might remember, but you probably won't because it was a really long time ago. But yeah, basically it's the basic version because it uses like the least amount of parts compared to these two, and it just uses these default pieces. So yeah, it doesn't exactly look as good, more like a go-kart. But yeah, for what it is, it still looks pretty good. And with that said, we'll now move on to the advanced version, which is more advanced than that. I guess build technique wise. Uses a bit more pieces, but yeah, the wheels still do roll, and yeah, it just looks, I guess, a lot better. It's more like slim, so it looks less like a go-kart, more like an ATV. And yeah, that would be the intermediate version. So yeah, finally we'll move on to the advanced version. And yeah, this is definitely the best looking out of the three, at least in my opinion. But that does come with a few trade-offs. It basically means that it's like the most complex, and it's also a bit more fragile than those two. Like the handlebars, as you can see, are a bit fragile. Also, it uses like a bit more rare pieces. Like as it uses 4 of these like 1x1 like plates with like a bar on the bottom, which aren't exactly the most common. But yeah, this definitely looks the best. It's got like a bit more unique of like a front suspension, as well as it's got like a nice looking exhaust pipe right here. And yeah, definitely the best looking out of the three. And with that said, I'll now, I guess, move on to a tutorial. The first one will be of this quad, and the second will be of this quad.